2025 McLaren 765LT, an ultra-high performance machine that takes McLaren's reputation for excellence to new heights. From its powerful engine to its lightweight build, this car is engineered for those who crave speed and precision. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 McLaren 765LT a true masterpiece. Exterior design. McLaren is renowned for its obsession with weight saving, and the 2025 765LT is no exception. The car's carbon fiber monocoque chassis forms the backbone of its lightweight structure. Carbon fiber elements are found throughout the body, including the rear wing, bumpers, and even the exhaust system. The result is a car that tips the scales at just 2,710 lbs 1,229 kg, making it one of the lightest supercars in its class. This weight reduction translates into enhanced agility, improved cornering, and a more responsive driving experience. Interior and luxury. Inside the 765LT, McLaren has created an environment that focuses entirely on the driver. The cabin features carbon fiber racing seats that offer exceptional support, even during the most aggressive driving. The minimalist dashboard puts the essentials front and center, with a center-mounted digital display that provides all the information a driver needs at a glance. The interior is stripped of unnecessary luxury features, reinforcing the car's track-oriented philosophy while ensuring a driver-focused cockpit. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 McLaren 765LT lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 755 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This powerhouse is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing lightning-fast gear changes for an unmatched driving experience. The result? A 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 205 mph. The 765LT isn't just about raw power, it's about maximizing every ounce of performance with precision. Speed's aerodynamics. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the 765LT's performance, and McLaren has fine-tuned every detail. The active rear spoiler adjusts automatically based on driving conditions, increasing downforce at high speeds and ensuring maximum stability during aggressive cornering. A massive front splitter, paired with an extensive rear diffuser, enhances airflow and adds to the car's overall aerodynamic efficiency. These design elements combine to give the 765LT exceptional grip on both the track and the road. Handling performances. The 765LT is not just fast in a straight line, it is also engineered to handle the tightest corners with ease. With its race-ready suspension system, coupled with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, the car offers exceptional stability and cornering precision. The suspension is fully adjustable, allowing drivers to fine-tune the handling for different driving environments, whether it's a racetrack or winding mountain roads. The car's lightweight construction and dynamic steering further enhance its agility, giving it a driving experience that's second to none. Pricing and availability. The 2025 McLaren 765LT is expected to be priced around $380,000, making it a high-end performance car aimed at enthusiasts who demand the best. With limited production numbers, this car will be a rare commodity, so securing one won't be easy. But for those fortunate enough to own one, the 765LT offers an unrivaled driving experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 McLaren 765LT is the epitome of performance, combining raw power, lightweight engineering, and cutting-edge aerodynamics to deliver a supercar that feels as fast as it looks. Whether you're on the track or the open road, the 765LT is built to offer a driving experience like no other. If you want the ultimate in speed, precision, and handling, this is the car to beat. Thanks for watching CarCraft. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content. See you next time.